build. Yeah, we got music loading in here now. Meow 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 meow. Look! He flies through the air. Meow 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 meow. Okay, so that's my little nyan cat. I did actually draw this. I want to show you guys my little sprite. Bloop bloop. Look at his little feet. They're moving. Bloop 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 bloop. That's how he flies through the air. Now he doesn't have a tail. There's a reason, cause his brothers, he got a little hungry. Like if you look at the original, he's pretty skinny, right? Look at mine. He's pretty chunky. He's kind of fat. So the story is he started eating his brothers because he was fat and hungry up in space. There's like nothing in space but him and his brothers, and he started getting hungry. So he ate his brothers. His brothers tried to fight him back, and they bit his tail off. But he was a champion. Now he's fat. Now he's in space by himself, just meowing everywhere. And yeah, that's why he's kind of chunky. But look at his little feet. It's kind of cute. Okay. So I have to do animation for my next one, but right now we just have a little floating cat that you can move around in space with moving stars.